if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off.
Good morning. How are you today? This is a quick update about my A7. As you have seen in my previous video about my cars, I purchased a Suzuki Jimny. And since the A7 has been staying in place, I haven't been using it at all, to be honest. Every 2 weeks I've been taking it out to drive it just to maintain the battery. I actually drove it today. The issue is still there, and the issue requires that I rebuild the engine or that I replace the engine. I did decide that I wouldn't be doing that. So the plan is to drive it as is until the engine dies. But now that I have 3 cars, I have a daily and a backup, and I haven't been using the A7 really. Maybe I could just take my time and think about maybe rebuilding the engine. I know I've been changing my mind all the time. Sometimes I say that I wanted to rebuild the engine. Sometimes I say that it's not worth it. But at this point, and with my current situations with 3 cars, I think that I can afford trying to fix this car. What else can I say? I just wanted to make a quick video to update you guys on the car. The engine is still running, but bad. I can still drive it. And oh yes, by the way, I recently decided to limit my DIY videos to members only. I did not make a video about that decision. It's a decision that I took very recently because of some reasons. The main reason, to be honest, is that I've been on a forum, the Audi World Forum, and I've been trying to blow the whistle about this defective engine. But a lot of people on that forum have been trying to silence me, you know. Some of them even say that I've been creating fake accounts to spread the bad news. There were a lot of people that came, especially in the Q7, in the MK2 Q7 forum, It's a Q7 that was made from 2017 to 2019, 2017 to 2019. That Q7 has the same engine that was put in my A7, the 2016 to 2018 Audi A7 and 2016 to 2018 Audi A6. The Q7 is the most sold car with this engine, so a lot of people have been having issues. If I did check that forum before purchasing this car, I wouldn't have purchased this car because people started reporting issues much earlier. So I actually understood what was happening to me thanks to that forum. But then I tried to blow the whistle, like I just said. I tried to inform people and give more details about the issue because I've been working on this car. I think I'm one of the first, if not the first person to publish detailed videos on how to work on this engine, removing the supercharger, replacing the PCV valve. I was one of the first, if not, I was one of the firsts, if not the first, to publish such videos about the crack, the 3.0T crack engine. So a lot of people have been using my videos to maintain their cars, to try to prevent this issue from happening. But a lot other people have been denigring, I don't know if that word exists in English. They have been making my life difficult and have been insulting me and trolling me around the forum. But I believe these people were also checking my videos to see how to fix their cars, which is something I didn't like. I couldn't be insulted and disrespected and having my videos available to everybody, including those who have been disrespectful to me. So I just decided that I'm going to prevent some people from accessing my videos. The first thing I did was I just turned the videos to private for some time. Then some people have been texting me, they have been sending me private messages about my videos and they needed my videos. So I started sharing the videos with these people privately. And at some point, I just thought that it's best to make the videos public, but now only to members. So I configured my YouTube account to accept memberships, and then all of my Audi DIY videos, I just set them to be available only to members. So to get access to the videos, you have to pay $4.99 per month. I'm sorry that I was obliged to do that, and I don't think that's a lot of money for the content that I've been sharing. If you really need to work yourself on your car and you don't have the information anywhere, paying $4.99, it's nothing compared to what you could have been doing, like going to a dealership and getting charged hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. So again, I'm sorry that I did that, but I don't regret it. At this point, I have almost 40 people became members. The first week I got 20 members. I did not believe it myself. I mean, I did not expect to have so many people join the channel. This means that my videos have been very useful and people appreciate my work. I'm grateful to all these people who are supporting me right now. And again, I'm sorry to have you pay, but at the same time, you're supporting me and you are encouraging me to maybe think about working on the Audis again. So like I was saying at the beginning of the video, now that I have 3 cars, and I don't really use the A7 anymore, I might decide to fix it. And as usual, I will make detailed videos on how to rebuild the head on this car. It's not a promise. I don't promise I'll do it. I'm thinking about it. And cross fingers. Cross fingers. Okay, that will be it for this one. I miss you guys. I miss the Audi community, but I am very much enjoying my Suzukis. My 2 Suzukis, they are great cars. I don't know how to say this. Having the misfortune with the A7 was very, very painful, but that allowed me to get to know Suzukis and to see how good they are. To be honest, I don't regret switching, and I think I'm lucky this happened to me because I'm a very, very happy person today. Okay, that will be it for now. I will see you in the next one. Hopefully, one that will in detail show how to rebuild the head on Audi 3.0 TFSI crack engine. Ciao, ciao.